Here's Davinci Resolve version 17, and there's a problem related to blurring. Everything outside the blur got darker and inside the blur is brighter. So how to fix this problem? I'm on the edit tab, so let's go here to the color tab. And as you can see, we have two lines here, the top one and the lower one. You can enable or disable this portion with Alt and F. Alt F is showing and hiding that one, and the problem is that everything what was done, the blurring itself, the triangle was added and the blurring was increased with the radius. Everything was done on the adjustment layer. The adjustment layer is visible on the edit tab and up here, adjustment clip. Okay, so don't put the blurring itself on the adjustment layer but on the clip. Although this one is selected, when you go to the color tab, automatically the top one is selected. So we have to remove the blurring from the top one, which is the adjustment clip. It's even showing it here. So whichever has a red dot, that has to be unchecked, so uncheck it and the red dot disappeared. Come to the next red dot and there the radius has to be resetted. Okay, so we removed the blurring from the adjustment clip. Now click on the lower one, which is the clip itself. Okay, and on that one come to the blurring, that triangle, increase the radius to the desired amount, add on this oval shape which is called window, add let's say a circle and position it wherever you want. And now if you go back to edit tab, this portion is blurred out, but the outside is not darker. The image was darker because that adjustment was on the adjustment clip. So if I uncheck this one, that's the original image with the adjustment layer and every modification turned off, and this is with the adjustment enabled. So make sure when you are blurring something on the color tab, you don't select the adjustment clip but the clip itself.